Want to mention Dow's at session highs right now as Microsoft rises to all-time highs as well. Sam Altman's hiring there is a big reason why. It's up 2.25% today. But my next guest still has a lot of questions and says she's not buying the stock just yet. We turn to Kim Forrest, Chief Investment Officer at Bokeh Capital Partners, for your take on this whole saga, Kim.
One word, crazy. Crazy. I mean, who would ever believe this much drama could come out of a bunch of PhD and data scientists?
I can. It's like I watched that Silicon Valley show, years ago, and you thought, oh, this is such an over dramatization. Maybe not.
Maybe not. Maybe not. But it does bring up really great questions. My first is like, how did Microsoft ever do this deal and not have somebody on the board? Like, it's just mind-boggling. And it looks like there was, and while I understand that they're trying to protect humanity or encourage humanity to use AI or, whatever the board said its directive was, there is a financial issue here, and somebody should have been on the board representing that, because this cost a lot of money to make and build. There's 700 very employable people that are going to leave and probably leave the company with nothing. This is all intellectual property. And if you're an intellectual property company, all of your people go home at night. That's your assets. They leave the building. And in this case, it looks like they may be leaving the building for good.
We can look back and say maybe Microsoft should have had a seat on the board. My understanding is that this deal kind of came about because OpenAI wanted Azure credits, and back in the day, even as a nonprofit, basically turned to Microsoft and said, yes, you can be an investment partner. So let's bring it to today. I mean, you can't quibble with how Satya has handled this over the last 72 hours, right?
No, that guy sees an opportunity and goes for it. You got to give him that. And I think he is doing this masterfully. I also have to make a plug for just any investor out there looking at any technology. While a lot of it is super cool, you always have to ask yourself, what is the value that this can bring to somebody who's going to pay for it in money? Because that's where meaning kind of comes into an economy, is when money is changing hands. And I think Satya sees the value that ChatGPT and all of this kind of large language model can add to its core product, which is Office. And I think that is his driver, that he can see the value, the productivity enhancements that this technology can bring. And he's trying to make sure Microsoft has it.
Wow. And what about Google? I think the point's been made that, just 4 years ago, Google's market cap, I think, was $1 trillion more than Microsoft's. Now Microsoft is well winning that battle, but there are questions about the fate of Anthropic now. It's been a Google partner. Maybe that's where they turn to kind of shore things up. Is this creating an opportunity, an opening for rivals?
Well, I mean, are Google and Microsoft rivals? I would say with Bing, yes. And Bing's kind of, I don't know, an asterisk in the world of, search, right? But Microsoft, again, knows what, and this is why I love the company. And even though I don't own the company, and I kind of look foolish at this point, but this company knows that it's a business software company. And that's where it puts its resources most of the time. And I think that is a grounding effect. Now, Google is a consumer company that is an advertiser seller, right? And that's a tough market to be in because consumers can decide to go somewhere else to find information. And that is very, very difficult to maintain. While I think Microsoft has a lower bar to maintain its audience, which it's still high, you have to create value with the Office and Windows franchise, but people build their businesses on it and won't migrate off of it willy-nilly, like they would with advertisers going somewhere else where when the eyeballs stray from Google.